Yeah, my name is Ray Thomas. I'm chairman of the Muscle Campaign in Wales.
What do we want? Better services! When do we want them? Now!
For over 40 years now, my wife Margaret and myself have been parents, carers of children and adults with muscular dystrophy, and it's been an uphill battle.
What do we want?
Better services!
When do we want them?
Now!
We've launched the report today at the Welsh Assembly building right behind me. What the report says in 15 recommendations is that it's time for the decline and neglect of specialist services in Wales to be ended. The report today was welcomed by the Minister, and she's agreed to take steps to deal with particular issues. We are moving now here in Wales on care advisors, and the Minister has said there should be 2 care advisors, one for North Wales, one for South Wales, in post from September. Further work is being done to strengthen the clinical support that's available, and there'll be a further review of services, and we will take part in that. I think it's impossible to overstate the importance and inspiration of the work that Ray Thomas, his wife and his family have done for many years for muscular dystrophy here in Wales. We are very fortunate to have a man of Ray's commitment, determination and calibre to lead the fight for better services.
Okay, looking towards me, that's it.
Hopefully now from the report that a start will be made. As has been said today, family care officers will be in place by the end of the year. The Minister has promised that things will happen. If we don't get the proper services that we're entitled to in Wales, then I will come down to the Senedd with my sleeping bag, and I will stay here indefinitely until services are in place.